What's going on, everybody? This is Jay with Island Hopper TV. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most popular cities and populated cities in all the world, Tokyo, Japan, also known as the land of the rising sun. While visiting Tokyo, you can explore some of their amazing museums, the Sumo Museum, the Samurai Museum, check out several different pagodas depending on the time of year you arrive. It's cherry blossom season. In the distance, you can see the volcano, Mount Fuji. Great food for all you foodies, koi fish ponds, manicured parks. Tokyo is a technology hub, home to many different types of robotics, video games. You can even ride a Mario Kart through Shibuya. So much to do in Tokyo. If you enjoy videos like this, do subscribe to Island Hopper TV. Check us out on Instagram. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the virtual tour from Tokyo, Japan.
Wow, we're going to totally explore this place. This is my first time here also. Also, support this video by pressing like if you enjoy content like this. There's a lot of people. I've never been here before. This district here is the most expensive district in Tokyo. As you can see, they've got designer brands all around here. Tiffany and Company. The very skinny buildings. It's like a very skinny building. Look at that. That's what happens when the real estate price is so high. And we're off. It's actually considered not good etiquette to cross the street without a green go, which I think I did earlier in the video, which was not intentional until I crossed the street. I finally realized it, but yeah, you know, sometimes us Westerners have a tendency to just cross the street whenever we feel it's appropriate and safe. But in Japan, etiquette is a big thing, and that's one of the things on the etiquette list that thou shalt try not to do.